So this is the Google Pixel 6. I know you're probably thinking, another fucking phone? Yeah, man, another phone. I know, I just bought the Z Fold 3, but you can't pass up on the Pixel 6, man. $599. $599 for this. This is the Seafoam green colorway here. And in case you've been living under a rock, here's what's inside the box. So like every other manufacturer, you're going to get your charging cable. You're going to get something different here, a USB-A to USB-C adapter here to transfer your files and stuff from your old phone. And you get a little booklet. That's pretty much it. It's very simple. It's clean. It's easy. It's nice. I mean, it's not nice, but you know, it's how it is nowadays. So, but this is the Pixel 6. So I've been using Pixel 6 for a couple hours now, and honestly, I am loving it. I am actually really enjoying it. And coming from the Fold 3, you know, like I said in my review, if you're looking to get into a fold phone, you're getting it for a specific niche. You know, you're looking for something special, something different. A slab phone, you're looking for just a really good phone, and so far, this is feeling like a really good phone. Like it feels like it's gonna be a really good phone so far. Starting off with that hardware, honestly, the design, I think it looks gorgeous. I think this phone looks really nice. Besides it being like a fingerprint magnet, I like this colorway. I really do. That two-tone design with the visor as the camera bump, I think it looks really nice and it looks hot in my opinion. Well, most of the time, honestly, I'm gonna be rocking a case, which I'm actually gonna already start rocking that speaking case, but it's a clear case, so you'll be able to see the colorway a little bit, but I'm always gonna rock a case regardless. But yeah, I like the design so far. It actually feels pretty light compared to my Fold 3. Obviously, it's a fold phone, so it's going to be pretty heavy, but this feels really good in the hand, honestly. It's a good size. I really like how it feels, honestly. I think it's a really, really nice, well-feeling phone. It feels nice. Like I said, it just feels and it looks really nice. Even though you're missing like the headphone jack and the micro SD card support on here, I'm 100% used to that by now. I've had phones, the past two phones I've used, all did not have that, and I've used that at that point. And honestly, I wish you could bring it back, but for $599, I'm okay with that. For the price, I'm okay with that. I mean, the fact that with like pre-orders, they included some earbuds or headphones with the pre-order as a bonus, honestly, you're getting your money back with that as well. So honestly, I'm fine with that. So getting into display, so far, I think it's really good. So I've watched a couple of videos of just browsing around. It feels snappy, it feels sharp, it feels colorful, vivid, it feels good. You know, it just looks good too. So honestly, I'm really liking the display so far. I think it's gonna be holding up pretty well. And those bezels, I honestly don't even notice it. Like honestly, if you consider these bezels to be big to you, you're crazy, man. This is honestly a perfect amount of bezel, or just about perfect amount of bezel. I mean, you can go a little bit smaller on the chin there, but it's otherwise pretty good. And when you're having a case on there, it's even better. Like it almost gets rid of the bezels kind of, but even then it still is functioning and looks really, really good in my opinion. So as far as like the software, Android 12, so far, I'm liking it. So it's gonna be a learning curve coming from One UI to straight Android 12. But I think I'm gonna like it. So far, the best thing that I've noticed that I really, really like is the idea of where the icons, the settings, everything changes along with the wallpaper. I actually really like that. The Material You, I think is what it's called. So I have that Wally app where it changes your wallpaper every day or every hour, whatever you set it up to. And having that wallpaper change along with all the settings and the way it looks, the material and all that stuff, I'm liking it a lot. I'm liking it a lot. I definitely am. Only thing I will say is that I miss, or if there is a way, I'm sure there probably is a way for you to hide like the labels. I haven't found it yet. And also I wish that all the icons would also have like some kind of change with the color and whatnot, but otherwise it's no big deal, but it's still really nice. I really like the way it changes. I'm not going to go in depth yet into other stuff in Android 12. I'm just going to give you my first impressions, which was that the whole Material You I'm really, really liking. But I think I'm going to have to learn a lot more because right now, like I said, my setup is really simple and I don't know exactly where to find all the settings. It's a little bit different from One UI, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve, but I'm actually really excited to get my hands and play around with it and mess around with Android 12 here. So as far as the camera, you know, Pixels are well known for that. And I'm not really a heavy camera user, but I'm excited to check it out. I took a couple photos so far with night sight, took it at night, and honestly, they look pretty good. I'm pretty impressed by what it was able to capture in like straight up darkness. It looks pretty good. I took a couple shots here and there. There was one photo that came out a little weird. I took another photo again and it came out much better. It fixed it, but I don't know, it just took weird photos. And the front-facing camera also looks pretty decent so far. I need to do more, more photos here and there, but so far, first impressions of the camera is pretty good. And where I'm really impressed too is Snapchat. Dude, the quality is so much better on here. Like compared to my Fold 3, it's so much better. And I can use the ultra wide. I don't know if it's something that other phones can do now, but I never knew. I couldn't do it on my Fold 3, I'll tell you that. But on here, I can use the ultra wide, which is actually really cool. It's nice that I can use the ultra wide and acknowledge the fact that this phone has an ultra wide, so I can use it on Snapchat. I'm excited to continue using it. I'm just excited for this camera. I'm actually really looking forward to seeing what I could do with this camera. But yeah, first impressions are looking really good for the Pixel 6 camera. So far, overall, first impressions are just sky high right now. It's because of $599 for the price. I just think this is a good price right now. It's a good deal. It's just, I don't know. I'm excited for it. Excited to try it out, to daily it. I think it's going to be a good phone. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I get a good experience out of it. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to know about the Pixel 6 and what you think. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And peace.